Whenever I start YouTube, I got this error: this action isn't allowed. I have installed 2 different YouTube apps. Now I will try the second one. I have opened the YouTube app. Now I will play a video. Unfortunately, Smart YouTube TV has stopped. You are watching it is not working now. How can we fix these? We have to uninstall all the YouTube apps of all versions. I am uninstalling the first one. Now I am uninstalling the second. Now open the browser of your TV and type Smart TV YouTube 6.17.391. This is the version we have to install. Click on Search. On the next page we will find many links to download. You have to click the second one that says Android 4.0 Plus. Security warning appears, but continue. Now download the APK and click on red button. On the next screen it is saying your download is starting. If it doesn't start automatically, then click here. You can see that starting download message. And the download will continue in the background. Now minimize it and open Applications. Go to Downloads. Open the first downloaded file. Now carry on screen setup and install it. Don't open it after installation. This is the trick, viewers. Don't open it here, only press on Done. We have to do another step before opening YouTube app so it can run successfully. Now open Play Store or Aptoide TV. Search for Crosswalk Project. You can download it from anywhere, from Aptoide TV app or Play Store, or from the browser. I will give link in the description from where you can download it. Click on Crosswalk Project and install it. Carry on screen setup. It will be installed automatically. Now go back. Now open YouTube app that we have installed. Select this setting on the right corner. Light Alt. This format will play all videos without any lagging and issue. Now we will check if any video plays on YouTube or not. For the first time you have to wait for some time. YouTube homepage is open now. Now I will play a video. You are seeing that our YouTube is working fine without any lagging. We'll also show you how to sign in on Smart TV YouTube app. Now click the Sign In. Now select the second option. Select Use your remote. Easily sign in YouTube on TV. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Kindly like it.